All right, we have a Developer Mini out here with us. This is not the most recent Developer Mini we've had flying. This is the one with the HereFlow sensor installed, or I'm sorry, it's not the HereFlow, it's the HFlow sensor. And now we have is this a TF Luna Plus, a TF Luna Mini? Do you remember?
The Mini.
The Mini? The TF Luna Mini, it's another rangefinder, kind of like the one that's built into the HFlow sensor, but this is being used for our collision avoidance or simple object avoidance, as it's called in the Arducopter world. So we just have forward facing for this test. We were getting GPS connection a couple days ago right outside our office. Now we're not getting a GPS connection, but we're going to attempt to test the collision avoidance anyway, just using the HFlow for positioning. So I think we're ready to take off.
Motors armed.
Let's see how smooth this flight is with no GPS for positioning.
Battery level 1 alert.
All right, I'm going to rotate. And it's set up supposedly for like 2 meters, right? So it should not be able to get to within 6 feet of me. Again, being the test dummy.
It's got to be pointed directly at you. That's
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, it stops?
It stops. Look, Ma.
Are
Wow.
you giving it input?
Yeah, that's me giving it forward input.
Oh, nice.
That is sweet, dude. Look at that, Mohit. There's more ways for me to not be able to hit you. Now, see, I am now not directed at myself. There we go.
Oh, nice.
So it's pretty
How is it?
direct, right?
Okay. And that is that it reacting to
So
you?
that it's reacting, and then it's getting back to its position using the HFlow. So basically the collision avoidance is saying, hey, I can't be within 6 feet of you, but the HFlow is saying, well, I need to hold my position, you know, basically as close as I can to being 6 feet away from you.
Okay. Nice.
So again, we can see here that it works very well directly, but if I'm just off, you could still very easily hit yourself. So don't attempt what I'm doing at home. You know, I'm the only one dumb enough to do this, or should be.
Do you know how to pull up the menus without having a
Stop! Hammer time!
without doing like a control F here?
What's that?
You know how to pull up the menus?
What menus are you looking for in particular?
You know, like you get to the reboot menu, basically.
Oh, yeah. It's config, planner, and typically you can do control F, but without having a full keyboard.
I'm looking for proximity.
Oh, and of course, we're
The
actually
scroll.
gonna have to, yeah, there's no real scroll, so we're gonna have to do the control F, just using the virtual keyboard. And then there's that menu you're looking for, I think.
That should be the one. There's 2 menus. Oh, here it is.
So stupid.
There we go. See, now I have like a
A readout, a visual readout.
Yeah, and I might have to zoom in and out. Oh, look. Yeah, I can see you on it. Are you shadow boxing?
Yeah, dude, shadow boxing the Developer Mini. What a bitch, dude. It won't even keep up. Bump it dump it. Got way too close there.
Yeah, I can see.
Ah, my hand, fuck.
Yeah, so I can see it on the readout. as
You
well.
can?
Yeah, it shows like a little red line as it approaches you.
It just shows me as a little red line, that's all. Yeah, wow.
Yeah, so it seems to.
It
doesn't-
works, people.
GPS.
It doesn't do a constant readout.
Wait, and
though.
look, we got GPS now.
Oh, nice. It doesn't seem to do a constant readout. Only when it texts you within the range, it shows up as a red mark.
All right, I'm going to land it. Actually, no, we still have a pretty poor
Battery
GPS
level 2
connection.
alert.
We also have low battery.
Yeah. All right. Do we have an extra battery? I don't think we do.
Not
but
in that case, no.
and I don't think I brought one.
Battery level 2 alert.
Well, there you have it, folks. We have a Developer Mini with collision avoidance working. We'll add maybe
Simple,
what's that?
yeah, collision avoidance, I guess. A
Yeah,
very simple version.
Simple object avoidance
Yeah.
working. And we'll continue to update this Developer Mini with more sensors to detect the world around it. I think we have one more identical sensor, is that correct?
Yeah.
And what, maybe we'll add it to the sides or something like that? So
Yep.
not full 360, but show that it is indeed possible. So in any case, let's go ahead, gently land this Developer Mini.
Battery level 2 alert.
That's it for this video.
Motors disarmed.
You know where to leave any comments, questions, or concerns. Peace. Thanks for watching.